everything out. And I rearrange everything by pulling it out and starting over. An empty cupboard. So let's turn it around and show you how I'm going to organize. Things I use most often are up front. The dishwasher soap stays in that spot always. The larger and least used items are in the back, but still accessible. And then my cleaning sprays and my sponges, my little dish drainer pad there, and our kitchen garbage bags are all within reach. And it's going to function much better for us, I think. This pile is going in the garbage. And this bin and these bottles beside it are going to the basement for storage. Even when getting ready to move, there's always an organization project to do. Thank you so much for coming on Freedom Hill with me today. Have a great one.